Case-sensitive path comparison in Python. I have to check whether a file is present a particular path in macOS X. There's a file called foo.f90 inside the directory. But when I do if os.path.exists path_to_foo.f90, it returns true and does not notice that f90 is lowercase and the file which exists is uppercase f90. I tried open path_to_foo.f90, even this does not work. How do I get around this?
As some commenters have noted, Python doesn't really care about case and paths on case-insensitive file systems, so none of the path comparison or manipulation functions will really do what you need. However, you can indirectly test this with os.listdir, which does give you the directory contents with their actual cases. Given that, you can test if the file exists with something like
This is something related to your underlying operating system and not Python. For example, in Windows the file system is case-insensitive while in Linux it is case-sensitive. So if I run the same check as you are running, on a Linux-based system I won't get true for case-insensitive matches. Still, if you really want to get a solution around this, you can do this.
For anyone still struggling with this, the following snippet works for me.
Easy way to do this for Python 3.5 plus using pathlib. Works for files and dirs.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.